peering beyond the curtain. Since the dawn of humanity, the night sky has been our oldest mystery. Ancient civilizations interpreted the cosmos through mythology, seeing gods, monsters, and the fate of empires in the stars. But as science advanced, we began to see the universe for what it truly is, a vast, expanding, and enigmatic realm governed by laws some understood, some still elusive. But what if, despite all our progress, we're still only scratching the surface? What if everything we know, matter, energy, time, and space, is only part of a deeper, more intricate structure of reality? In recent decades, discoveries across cosmology, quantum physics, and astronomy suggest that there may be hidden layers of existence and seen frameworks shaping the visible universe. This is our journey through those possibilities. The hidden structure of the cosmos. At the grandest scales, the universe is not a random scattering of galaxies. Instead, galaxies form massive filaments and walls that stretch for billions of light years, interconnected like threads in a spider web. This is known as the cosmic web, a vast structure that defies the notion of chaos and reveals a deep underlying order. Galaxies are not evenly distributed. They cluster in regions where invisible matter, dark matter, is thought to reside. This hidden structure shapes the universe's form, guiding the movement of galaxies and the formation of galaxy clusters. These filaments of dark matter can't be seen directly, but their presence is detected through gravitational effects. Through gravitational lensing, the bending of light by gravity, we map out these hidden threads, revealing a framework that spans the observable universe. The existence of this vast skeleton suggests that space itself may not be as empty or as simple as it appears. The visible cosmos may be draped upon an invisible scaffold, a hidden layer we're only beginning to uncover. Dark matter and invisible bridges. Dark matter is one of the universe's greatest mysteries. It neither emits nor absorbs light, making it invisible to telescopes. Yet, its gravitational fingerprint is everywhere. Galaxies rotate faster than visible matter alone can explain, implying that most of their mass is hidden. Estimates suggest that dark matter makes up 85% of all matter in the universe. But what is it? It's not made of protons, neutrons, or electrons, the building blocks of atoms. It could be composed of exotic particles like WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles, or axions. But so far, experiments haven't confirmed their existence. Some scientists suggest dark matter might be connected to hidden dimensions or mirror universes, with particles that interact through forces completely unknown to us. These possibilities open the door to a reality far richer than what we see. If dark matter forms bridges between galaxies, holding structures together, then it might also serve as a gateway to new physics and perhaps even to new forms of matter and consciousness. Dark energy, the cosmic engine. While dark matter holds the universe together, dark energy is tearing it apart. In the late 1990s, astronomers made a shocking discovery. The expansion of the universe is accelerating. This defied all expectations. A mysterious force was pushing galaxies apart faster and faster. This force was named dark energy. Today, dark energy is thought to comprise roughly 70% of the total energy in the universe. But we don't know what it is. It could be a property of space itself, a kind of vacuum energy, or it might be a sign of physics far beyond our current theories. Some physicists speculate that dark energy might be linked to the multiverse, with our universe being just one bubble in a vast cosmic sea, each with different laws of physics. Others see it as a hint that space and time are emergent phenomena, not fundamental realities, but illusions arising from something deeper. quantum foam in the subatomic landscape. Zoom in far enough beyond atoms, beyond protons and neutrons, and you enter the realm of quantum foam. At this scale, space-time is not smooth. It bubbles, fluctuates, and shimmers with uncertainty. Particles pop in and out of existence. Energy appears momentarily from nothing, governed by Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. This chaotic sea, known as the Planck scale, may be the foundation from which everything arises. Some theories suggest that even space and time are born from quantum fluctuations. If we can understand this layer, we may finally explain why the universe exists at all. Perhaps everything, galaxies, stars, consciousness emerges from this bubbling chaos. In that case, nothing is not truly nothing, but a fertile ocean of possibilities. Parallel universes and hidden dimensions. The idea of parallel universes may sound like science fiction, but in modern physics, it's taken very seriously. According to string theory, there may be 10 or 11 dimensions, most of them hidden from view. Our universe could be a three-dimensional brain floating in a higher dimensional space. If so, there may be other brains, each hosting its own universe, with different particles, forces, even laws of nature. These are the parallel universes of the multiverse hypothesis. There are many types of multiverse theories, quantum multiverses, where every quantum choice spawns a new reality. Inflationary multiverses, where each cosmic bubble has its own Big Bang. And holographic multiverses, where reality is encoded on a distant boundary. Could these universes interact? Could consciousness or gravity leak across dimensions? These questions drive some of the most speculative, yet tantalizing frontiers of modern science. Signs of intelligence at the edge. As we explore these hidden layers of the universe, a haunting question arises. Are we alone? Some scientists believe that advanced civilizations Type 2 or Type 3 on the Kardashev scale could exist on cosmic scales, manipulating stars, galaxies, or even spacetime itself. If such beings exist, their influence might not come in the form of radio signals or spacecraft, but in subtle anomalies in the structure of the universe, patterns, alignments, or phenomena that seem to defy natural explanations. Some have speculated that dark matter could be the residue of ancient megastructures. Others propose that the laws of physics themselves might be evidence of fine-tuning intentional design by cosmic intelligence. Though unproven, these ideas stretch our minds and force us to consider, what role does intelligence play in the fabric of reality? Wormholes, strings, and quantum tunnels. Einstein's equations suggest that wormholes, bridges through spacetime, are possible. Though unstable and hypothetical, these structures could connect distant parts of the universe, or even different universes entirely. In string theory, particles are not point-like, but vibrating strings whose harmonics determine the properties of matter. These strings might wrap around hidden dimensions, influencing gravity and other forces. Some physicists suggest that entanglement, the spooky connection between particles, may be linked to wormholes. This idea, known as R equals EPR, could mean that spacetime is built from networks of quantum information. In other words, the universe might be a vast network of quantum tunnels, a web of communication and connection stretching across all scales. Is reality a simulation? Perhaps the most provocative idea of all. What if we're living inside a simulation? Some physicists and philosophers argue that if it's possible to simulate universes with conscious beings inside, and if advanced civilizations can run many such simulations, then the odds are high that we ourselves are simulated. Supporters point to the mathematical nature of physics, the digital-like behavior of quantum mechanics, and the uncanny fine-tuning of constants in the universe. Even without evidence, the simulation hypothesis forces us to rethink reality. If we're simulated, then the true universe may lie outside our comprehension, but we might still glimpse hints of its architecture in the code of our cosmos. A universe still unfolding. We began this journey with the question, is there more to the universe than meets the eye? What we found is both humbling and exhilarating. Beneath the stars, beyond the atoms, behind the fabric of space and time lie mysteries that may take generations to understand. But each discovery, each anomaly, each strange signal from the edge brings us closer to the truth. We have not reached the end of science. We are standing at its threshold. We have unlocked a new layer of the universe. And there are many more yet to come. Let's keep looking up.